Are your video edits looking stiff, boring, or completely static? Creating smooth custom animations using keyframes in CapCut Mobile is very simple. Open your video project in CapCut Mobile. First, tap on your clip in the timeline to select it. Move the playhead line to where you want the animation to begin. Look right below the preview player and tap on the diamond keyframe icon. This adds your first keyframe point. Next, move the playhead forward to where you want the movement to stop. Now, use 2 fingers to zoom in or move the clip, and CapCut Mobile will automatically add the second keyframe. Play your clip to see your video smoothly animate between the 2 points. Here is a pro tip to make your keyframe movement look cinematic instead of robotic. Move your playhead between the 2 keyframes, scroll right on the toolbar, and tap on Graphs. Choose Ease Out 1 to make your animation glide smoothly. Tap the checkmark and enjoy your professional motion animation. Subscribe for more easy editing tips.